Did you know nearly 1 in 4 new cars experience a significant issue before reaching 40,000 miles? In today's video, we'll uncover the 12 least reliable cars that won't even last 40,000 miles. From performance issues to sky-high repair bills, these vehicles are major red flags for any buyer. Stick around. The number 1 car on our list will definitely surprise you. Let's get started. 12. Jeep Wrangler. While it's praised for off-road prowess, the Jeep Wrangler struggles when it comes to reliability. Owners frequently report engine failures costing around $4,400 to fix. Transmission issues like gear slippage are common, with repairs exceeding $22,000. The infamous death wobble, severe steering vibration at high speeds, poses safety risks, and fixing it typically costs about $800. With 6 recalls already in 2024, the Wrangler's dependability is a serious concern despite its adventurous image. 11. Mitsubishi Mirage. With a starting price of around $18,000, the Mirage might seem budget-friendly, but its problems start early. Its tiny 78 horsepower engine struggles especially on highways, leaving drivers frustrated. Poor cabin insulation leads to excessive noise. The ride is rough, and the handling feels unstable. While it saves you money up front, ongoing issues could cost you much more in the long run. 10. Volkswagen Jetta. The Jetta, priced at around $21,000, lures buyers with affordability but quickly disappoints. Engine stalling is a frequent complaint, and turbo models often suffer from engine misfires. High fuel consumption further frustrates drivers, and electrical problems, particularly with ignition systems, can cause sudden shutdowns. In 2024 alone, Volkswagen issued 4 recalls for the Jetta, mainly addressing electrical faults. Its reliability record is anything but reassuring for long-term ownership. 9. Nissan Rogue. Featuring a turbocharged 3-cylinder engine with variable compression technology, the Rogue sounds innovative but delivers headaches. Drivers report internal bearing failures and severe knocking noises. The Rogue's CVT transmission is also notoriously unreliable, with replacement costs often exceeding $3,000. The NHTSA is currently investigating widespread engine issues across multiple production years. With these risks, the Rogue might be better suited for short leases than for long-term ownership. 8. Ford Bronco Sport, priced around $34,000. The Bronco Sport is powered by a 1.5 EcoBoost 3-cylinder engine that's been riddled with problems. Ford has issued multiple recalls due to cracked fuel injectors posing fire hazards. Owners also complain of engine overheating, turbocharger failures, and excessive engine noise. According to J.D. Power's dependability study, the Bronco Sport ranks well below average, making it a questionable choice if you value reliability. 7. Tesla Model Y. New entry. Despite its popularity and high-tech appeal, the Tesla Model Y has been the subject of numerous quality complaints. Owners frequently report panel misalignments, paint defects, and interior rattles, issues that appear shockingly early in the vehicle's life. More concerning are reports of full-screen reboots while driving, sudden phantom braking, and software glitches affecting critical systems like autopilot. The lack of traditional dealership support and long repair wait times also frustrate owners. In 2024 alone, Tesla has issued multiple recalls on the Model Y, reflecting persistent build and reliability issues. 6. GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado. Starting at around $36,000, these full-size trucks are American favorites, but come with serious flaws. GM's cylinder deactivation system, intended to improve fuel economy, often leads to collapsed lifters and even complete engine shutdowns. Reports of transmission failures, engine misfires, and fuel system problems often surface before the 40,000-mile mark. Numerous class action lawsuits have been filed, confirming that these trucks aren't as bulletproof as many believe. 5. Hyundai and Kia. 2.0L engine models. Models like the Hyundai Elantra and Kia Forte, equipped with Theta Series 2.0L engines, have a troubling history. Excessive oil consumption, bearing failures, and even engine fires are well-documented issues. Over 3 million vehicles have been recalled because of these defects. Many owners report engine problems developing well before reaching 40,000 miles, leading to expensive repairs and lengthy downtimes. 4. Infiniti QX50. Starting around 55,000, the Infiniti QX50 shares many mechanical components with the troubled Nissan Rogue. Its turbocharged 2.0L engine and CVT transmission have been plagued with engine stalling, transmission failures, and electrical glitches. According to J.D. Power, the QX50 ranks below average in reliability among luxury SUVs. Coupled with high parts and service costs, owning a QX50 can turn into an expensive gamble. 3. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Although it promises spaciousness and hybrid efficiency starting at $40,000, the Pacifica Hybrid is loaded with issues. Multiple recalls have been issued for battery failures, electrical malfunctions, and even fires. Consumer Reports ranked it the least reliable vehicle in its latest survey. Plus, many Chrysler service centers reportedly struggle to properly fix hybrid-specific problems, making the Pacifica Hybrid a risky choice for families looking for peace of mind. 2. Jaguar F-Pace. With a starting price near $55,000, the F-Pace seduces buyers with sleek looks and athletic performance. But its reliability is alarmingly poor. Owners frequently report electrical system failures, transmission issues, and engine oil leaks. J.D. Power's studies show the F-Pace ranks significantly below its luxury SUV competitors for dependability. Add in extremely high repair and maintenance costs, and owning an F-Pace can quickly become a financial nightmare. 1. Land Rover Range Rover. Taking the top spot as the least reliable vehicle is the Range Rover. Despite its prestige and luxury, it's plagued by engine failures, suspension issues, and persistent electrical faults. A Warranty Direct study from the UK revealed that the Range Rover is one of the most breakdown-prone vehicles on the market, with an average repair cost nearing $2,000 per incident. With complex tech systems and frequent breakdowns often before reaching 40,000 miles, the Range Rover is a cautionary tale for any buyer chasing status over reliability. Enjoyed the list? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others make smarter car buying decisions. Have you owned any of these vehicles? Let us know in the comments. And check out our next video. 11 car engines that will last forever. You won't want to miss it.